my vlog. So for today's video, we are going to try a new experiment. Yay! So in this experiment, we will analyze and identify how does the temperature of water, hot and cold, affect the solubility of solids such as salt, sugar, and baking soda. So without further ado, let's proceed to the vlog. The following are the materials that we will need today. 2 clear containers, hot and cold water, 3 solids such as salt, sugar, and baking soda. So now, let's proceed to the actual experiment. First, let's prepare 1 glass of hot water and 1 glass of cold water for each solution. Put 1 spoonful of solid in hot water and 1 spoonful of solid in cold water. As you can see, there's a 3 separate video. The first video is for the salt, the next is for the sugar, followed by the baking soda. After that, set the timer for 3 minutes and let's see what will happen. After the set time, stir the solid and observe the reaction. Lastly, Repeat all the procedures for the remaining solids. Guide questions. Number 1. Did hot water have the same effect on all solids? Why or why not? Number 2. Did cold water have the same effect on all solids? Why or why not? Number 3. Did stirring affect the same way? Why or why not? Number 4. Did temperature affect the same way? Why or why not? All solids like salt, sugar, and baking soda are soluble in water, although their level of solubility varies under a certain condition. First, let's discuss solubility. Solubility is the amount of solute that can dissolve in a given amount of solvent at a given temperature. In a solution, the solute is the substance that dissolves, like salt, sugar, and baking soda, while solvent is the substance that does the dissolving, like water. For questions number 1 and 2, due to the state of solutes and the temperature of water, their reaction differ. Some solutes have greater solubility than others. Among the 3 solids, sugar is much more soluble in water than others, although its level of solubility varies under a certain condition. For example, more sugar dissolves in hot water than in cold water. That is because most solids become more soluble with increasing temperature. As the temperature increases, their level of solubility also increases. In short, more solids dissolves in hot water faster than in cold water because heat increases their molecular movement, causing collisions between the water molecules and the solids. For question number 3, like I said, the state of solutes differ, so they react with water differently. Due to their unique properties and some external factors like temperature, some dissolves faster, some dissolves a little bit slower, while some takes a lot of time. Does stirring affect the solubility of a substance? Stirring does not affect the solubility of a substance, but instead increase the process of dissolving. For example, if we let solids like sugar, salt, and baking soda to stay a little bit longer in solvent like water, it will dissolve eventually. But then, if we stir it, it will dissolve more quickly. That is because stirring moves the solvent molecules around, allowing them to interact with undissolved solids or solutes. The amount of solute that will dissolve is affected by the temperature. More will dissolve at higher temperature. In terms of temperature, for question number 4, if a solute is solid or liquid, solubility increases with temperature. As the temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases, allowing the molecules of the solvent to effectively break apart the molecules of the solute that are held by an intermolecular attraction. However, the situation is different for gases. With higher temperature, gases tend to be less soluble in water and more soluble in organic solvents. In the experiment, since the solute are composed of solids, they dissolve quickly in hot water than in cold water. So that's it. I hope you learned something new with this experiment and I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!